Hello friends, my name is Kamlesh and today we will discuss on topic OOPS concept in Java. First we have to see what is OOPS concept in Java, and then what is the need to develop OOPS concept, and then some of the features of OOPS. So first is what is OOPS. OOPS is nothing but object oriented program, means object oriented programming language. Before OOPS there is a Simula programming language. This Simula is a first object oriented programming language. The developer can write a programs in OOPS. In Simula they have to complete complexity, and complicated programs can write and run. They can complexity in readability and write. The OOPS concept, OOPS means nothing but a object oriented programming language. The object means nothing but a real world entity like pen, pencil, notebook, table, chair, bike, like that, etc. Then nothing but a next is a object oriented. Object oriented programs means it is a methodology which is used to write a program by using classes and objects. The main purpose of OOPS concept is it deals with a real world entity by using programming language. There is some features of OOPS concept. First is a class. Class is nothing but it is a first feature of OOPS concept. It is a collection of object data, which is a logical entity. The class do not have any memory space. It can create individually objects. Next feature is a object. Objects means entity behavior. Entity's behavior, which is known as object. For example, chair, pen, pencil, notebook, bike, mobile, laptop, etc. An object can define entity's behavior. Means object contain address. That's by objects can communicate. Object can communicate without data of that entity. They need only message of acceptance. For example, a object is a dog. A dog is an object which have a different color, a specific color, a specific sound, a breed. They also have the behavior like the dog has a swagging the tail and eating, etc. The next is a inheritance. Inheritance features in OOPS. When the object without having all programs and without having all properties and behaviors of entity, of objects known as a inheritance. It can be used source code again and again for executing any classes. The next feature of the OOPS concept is polymorphism. When some objects having different properties and different behaviors, in Java we have to use method overloading, and overloading methods achieve polymorphism. For example, the uses of giving examples like duck. Duck example used mostly in cricket. When the cricketer out on 0 run, then it will be say as a duck. But in real life, the duck is one of the bird, which is used in this is a bird. Next example is a customer care. Customer care can Customer care can convince to customer with a differently sketches, their languages, and some triangles, etc. Next is a abstract. Abstract is a hiding internal details and showing functionality, known as a abstract. Thank you.